Oh, absolutely. The purpose of coming here to build the connection, understand what the industry trends going on, what other companies are offering, what strategies they are building or developing post-COVID, because the things have been changed. What supply chain issues they are dealing with and how they are coping with it, what regulatory challenge. So all of those areas, because of diversity of participants, diversity of companies you brought from different areas, really helped me understand those, and I was able to achieve my goal for coming here. I would highly encourage people, if they have the opportunity to attend these kind of events, it really gives them a different perspective by meeting different individuals, by meeting different leaders from different companies, by meeting the industry experts. It really helped them understand what's happening in the industry, what they can bring it back to the table, to their organization, and continue to be successful on this journey.